it is universally acknowledged that orcas are the undisputed rulers of the oceans. Even sharks fear them. In this video, we'll look at the biology of these creatures to find out how they became such ferocious hunters. As always, before we begin, I kindly ask you to support our work with a thumbs up so that more people will learn about the amazing animals that inhabit our planet. Orcas belong to the oceanic dolphin family. Their scientific name is Orcinus orca. The name orca comes from the Latin word orcus, which means darkness, and it refers to the dark color of their dorsal fins. These whales can be found in all oceans of the world and prefer colder waters where there is plenty of prey. They have an extremely diverse diet and hunt a wide variety of marine animals. Each pod has its own hunting grounds and passes down knowledge about their location from one generation to the next. Orcas are highly intelligent creatures, and some experts believe that they are the smartest animals on the planet after humans. Female orcas reach sexual maturity when they are 14 to 16 years old, and males when they are 20 to 25 years old. Mating occurs throughout the year, and the gestation period lasts for about 17 months. Newborn calves stay with their mother's pod for life, while males may leave and join another pod. Pods can range in size from 5 to 30 members and consist of related females, their offspring, and a few adult males. Orcas are known to have complex social structures and communication systems, and different pods have different cultures. They use a variety of sounds to communicate, including whistles, pulses, and echolocation clicks. Each individual has a unique whistle that acts like a name and is used to identify each other. Echolocation clicks are used to find prey in murky water. Orcas are apex predators and sit at the top of the food chain. This means that they are not hunted by any other animal and play a crucial role in regulating populations of their prey species. As we mentioned before, they have a diverse diet and are opportunistic hunters, feeding on whatever prey is most abundant. They are also known to be highly efficient hunters and often work together in groups to surround and capture their prey. Orcas are capable of killing a wide variety of marine animals, including fish, seals, porpoises, dolphins, sharks, sea turtles, and even other whales. They use a variety of techniques to hunt, including ramming, biting, and disorienting their prey before swallowing them whole. In today's video, we'll be discussing several aspects of orca biology, including their teeth, skin, dorsal fins, and tail flukes. Teeth. Orcas have between 20 and 30 teeth in each half of their lower jaw. Unlike other toothed whales, orcas do not have a replaceable tooth battery. This means that once an orca tooth is lost, it won't grow back. Orcas can lose their teeth for a couple of reasons, but most commonly it happens when they're eating prey with a hard shell, such as clams or crabs. When this happens, the tooth can crack and break off below the gum. However, unlike most other toothed whales, orcas don't need to eat every day. This means that if an orca loses a few teeth, it's not the end of the world. To compensate for their missing teeth, orcas rely on their strong jaws and powerful neck muscles to help them grip and manipulate their prey. The teeth of an orca are also very different from those of other whales. They are narrow and pointed, unlike the larger, broader teeth of other toothed whales. These teeth are better suited for catching and holding on to slippery prey, such as fish. Also, unlike other whales, orcas do not grind their food. Instead, they swallow it whole. This is because their teeth are not flat or have ridges for grinding. Instead, their teeth are sharp and ideal for grabbing and tearing flesh. Because orcas live in groups, they must be able to catch enough food for themselves as well as for their pod members. This means that they need to be able to kill large prey quickly and efficiently. In order to achieve this, orcas have developed powerful jaws and teeth that allow them to hold on to slippery prey and tear it apart. Skin. Orcas have thick, rubbery skin that helps protect them from the elements and from injury. The skin is also very flexible, which allows the orca to maneuver through the water with ease. The flexibility of the skin also allows the orca to make quick turns and to ram prey at high speeds. Orcas can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, and their skin allows them to withstand the friction generated by moving through the water at these speeds. Another amazing feature of orca skin is its ability to heal quickly. This is important for these whales because they are constantly exposed to the elements and are often injured while hunting. The skin of an orca is also very sensitive. This allows them to feel vibrations in the water that can indicate the presence of prey. The sensitivity of their skin also allows them to feel the texture of the water, which helps them navigate. Orcas have special glands in their skin that produce a slimy substance. This substance helps reduce friction in the water and also protects the orca from parasites and disease. Dorsal fins. The dorsal fins of male orcas can grow to be 6 feet tall, while those of females are smaller, reaching a maximum height of 3 feet. The dorsal fins are made of cartilage and are supported by a flexible vertebral column. This allows the fins to move independently of the rest of the body, which gives the orca more maneuverability in the water. The dorsal fin of an orca is also very flexible. This allows the orca to change direction quickly and also helps them to maintain stability while swimming at high speeds. The dorsal fin is also very important for the orca's ability to The fin acts as a reflector, sending sound waves back to the whale and helping them to determine the size, shape, and location of objects in the water. The dorsal fin is also used by orcas to communicate with each other. It is believed that the larger dorsal fins of male orcas are a sexually selected trait. This means that females choose mates with larger dorsal fins, because it is a sign of good genes. The size of an orca's dorsal fin also increases with age. This is likely because the whale's social status also increases with age. Older, more experienced whales are more likely to be the leaders of their pod and have priority in accessing food. A larger dorsal fin may also be a sign of dominance within the pod. Tail flukes. Orca tail flukes are very large and powerful. They can measure up to 20 feet from tip to tip. The tail fluke is what propels the orca through the water. It does this by moving up and down, creating a wave that moves forward and pushes the orca along. The tail fluke is also very flexible, which allows the orca to maneuver in tight spaces and also helps them to keep stable while swimming at high speeds. The tail fluke is made up of 2 lobes that are connected by a thin membrane. Each lobe is controlled by a muscle called the fluke muscle. These muscles are some of the strongest in the orca's body. The power of the tail fluke allows the orca to jump out of the water and perform tricks such as breaching. An orca can leap up to 20 feet into the air. This is not only impressive, but it is also very useful for hunting. When an orca breaches, it can stun its prey and make it easier to capture. The tail fluke is also very important for communication. The orca can use its fluke to make different shapes in the water that convey different messages. For example, a high-raised fluke may be a greeting, while a low, wide V-shape may be a warning. The tail fluke is also used for mating displays. Male orcas will often grab the female's fluke with their teeth to help them get in position for mating. Every part of an orca's body is specially designed for its predatory lifestyle. From their teeth and skin to their dorsal fins and tail flukes, these whales are perfectly adapted for hunting and killing prey. So next time you hear someone say that orcas are just big, bad whales, remember that there is much more to these creatures than meets the eye. If you enjoyed watching this video, we guarantee that you'll love our content. We have many more videos about amazing animals for you to watch. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.